Alright, this is Nemo Skull with fuel injector hooked up to an Arduino. This is actually an AT Tiny 2313. Basically, it's an Arduino, the very basic of it. This fuel injector here is actually going into a Geo Metro. I'm building this as part of a fuel injection system based off an Arduino computer. Right now, I have a TIP 120, generic from China, so I don't even know what it is, but it's called a TIP 120 generic diode, and right now this is slaved. The outputs on this one, that would be let me see, that would be output 4 and 5, I think, on the Arduino software. Have it slaved here to the fuel injector. The light goes on when the TIP goes on. I'm running some basic loop. Anyways, long story short is here is the amperage going through, because I had one of these before and I burned it up and it took out both my computers as well as the USB ASP. So yeah, this right now, like I have, is dangerous. You want an optical isolator or some kind of something in the way, which I will be messing with that next time. But right now I'm just trying to make this work. This is a Geo Metro injector. I think the stock specs are anywhere from 1.0 ohms to 1.5 ohms. Right now this one measures at 1.1 ohms. And right here is the amperage running through it. This is going the wrong way here. Yeah, this thing seems to want to open at about 1.1 amps. So that's what I'm trying to just figure out here. And then also this is a 100k ohm variable resistor that I just have hooked up as a variable resistor running between the output of the Arduino Tiny and the base on this. I have emitter to ground, and so that's basically it. I'm probably going to use this setup for a fuel injection, self-made fuel injection based off an Arduino Pro Mini, so that would be the ATmega 328 chip, and that's all I'm doing right now. Oh, another thing, I don't know how efficient this heatsink is, but calculating the operating environment of the TIP derating as per the I think it's a Honeywell datasheet above what is it, like 65 degrees Fahrenheit at 140 degrees Fahrenheit, assuming a maximum of 60 watts dissipated. In reality it has 65. I calculate that I should be able to push 2.5 amps even at 140 Fahrenheit. I'm making this basic operating conditions because I used to live in Yuma where there's 120 degree days, so that's just like a worst case scenario. So I'm trying to keep this thing below 2 amps. Again, whether or not this will work is another question, but yeah, so that's about it. Goodbye.